Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I'm MissCheriess. I am finally back. I am so sorry I wasn't able to upload a new video 3 days ago because my lower back was in pain. So it's finally getting better. I always get lower back pain I think I should say 3 times a year. I know it's ridiculous. So since I gave birth to my kids, my lower back has been really weak. So yeah, that's why I'm going circles. That's why I wasn't able to upload a new video a few days ago. So as I promised, I'll be doing first impressions of Zoeva Cosmetics. I never ever tried this brand before, and when I saw Twin Mode's IG page, she posted like new releases from the brand Zoeva. Actually, I've been eyeing on their products, and I got really intrigued. So I purchased the new releases and also one eyeshadow palette from the brand because I was just really curious. So I got everything inside the box. I did like a Ulta haul on my Instagram. I saved my Instagram stories, so my Instagram page should be on my description box below. So as always, be sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. Now, without further ado, let's go jump right in. Alright, so this is the eyeshadow palette from the brand Zoeva Cosmetics. So I think this is a German brand. So this one was, I think, $28. Let me see on the Ulta's website because I think they have different palettes. Yeah, they have different palettes, but I opted for the like a neutral everyday palette. I have been into like neutral eye makeup looks and like a very bright wing liner, usually like eyeshadow. That's what I have been doing lately. So this is the Cocoa Blend. What do they call this one? Cocoa Blend. So this, you can see guys, like the most boring eyeshadow palette, but this type of palette I use every single day. And this one has 6 metallic shades and 4 matte shades. So this one would be really good that you smoke out the edges. And then the packaging is really nice, very lightweight, kinda cheap for $28. But let's see how the formulation of the palette. The next one is the new concealer. So this one, it's called Authentic with a K Skin Perfector Retouch Concealer. So this one, let me check how many shades. This one 30 shades. That's amazing. 30 shades. So I have the shade in embodied 110 embodied, which is a medium with neutral undertone, because usually warm tone undertones or warm tones, they look too yellow for me, especially the elf one, but I still like that concealer. So this one retails for $19, and you can only buy this one online, only online. I don't know why. So it would be really nice if you could buy the concealer in stores, so that you could swatch each color, because you know it's really hard to buy complexion products online. Everyone knows that. Then next is, or the last one is the, let me show you guys. So this is the, I'm looking on the Ulta's website right now. Girl, where are you, girl? Okay, so this is the new Visionary Light multi-use face powder. So this one retails for $26. It's a lot, to be honest. The colors are not very wearable, but maybe for like dark skin tones. But this specific color that I purchased, the what do you call this, the color Unbelievable, reminded me so much of the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter. I actually had that one. Yeah, I had that one, but it got really old, so I had to like throw it away. So I know, a waste of money. So that one was I think 35, maybe $30. So this was like 26, so a little cheaper, but still expensive in my opinion. Alright, so this one is the Unbelievable, and that's the one bad thing about this packaging, it gets dirty easily. And they also have the like a pink, rose pink color with purple, and like metallic bronze with silver and bronze pearls. So this is the packaging, and it has a mirror. Just the pack, I guess gets dirty easily. So this is the highlighter, guys. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Reminded me so much of the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter. So this is almost like a bake type of formula. It's a little bit dry, but oh my goodness, that is so pretty. So not very wearable, like everyday type of color, but if you use your fingers with this one, I think it would not look too yellow, because I think there would be this color would be really great for dark to deep complexion in my opinion, because this is so pretty, guys. Yellow for me, it gets too yellow for my skin because I have a lot of yellow undertone. Oh my god, that is so pretty and very like finely milled, not very, and like not chunky glitters at all, very finely milled type of glitters. That is so pretty. Oh my god, that is so pretty. So $26 is a lot in my opinion. Alright, so I'm going to test out the products right now. Let me zoom you in. I'm gonna prime my eyes with the e.l.f. primer. I actually have been really liking the primer, guys. I don't know why. At first I wasn't really a big fan of it, but right now I have been really enjoying this. So let me get the not highlighter, but oh my goodness, the eyeshadow primer, and I'll be right back. Next is the Authentic Skin Perfector Concealer in the shade. This is the shade in 110 Embodied. So it says in here, infuse with rose hip oil. The concealer is designed to nourish your skin alongside your Authentic Skin Foundation shade. So this one, maybe this, the dewy concealer doesn't say that much. I mean, doesn't say if it's a satin dewy matte. So it says in here, nourish your skin, infused with rose hip oil. So I'm thinking dewy finish. So this is authentic and will leave your complexion feeling positively beautiful and looking authentically you. It's luxuriously creamy, soft texture, instantly conceals any imperfections and blurs the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while leaving a luminous velvety finish. Sorry, I didn't read the whole thing. Okay, so let's see, guys. I love dewy satin concealers because I have really dry under eyes. I have dry skin. So this one, let's go try it out. And this is the one, like a flat type one. I'm going to apply another layer because it's just way too light and I have a lot of dark circles. So I feel like I need a little bit more coverage. Soak up most of the product. I mean, the sponge soak up most of the product, so I'm going to use a concealer brush from Milani Cosmetics. They also came out with a concealer brush for this concealer, so I did not purchase that one because it was a little pricey, $26. So I'm just going to use this Milani Cosmetics because this one is actually really nice. So I still could see my dark circles a little bit. So not bad. Not my favorite, but not bad. Alright, so I'm going to continue with my lower lashes, my face, and then I'll be back with the highlighter. So this is, I think, the last product from Zoeva that I purchased from Zoeva. This is the Visionary Light Multi-Use Face Powder. I don't know why it's called face powder, because girl, it's not a face powder. So let me read the description of this one, because Visionary Light Multi-Use Face Powder, designed to provide maximum versatility. It carries next generation pearl pigments that capture light and deliver pure color performance in a unique powder formula with a springy, creamy texture. Not creamy though, it's a little dry in my opinion. Available in 3 silky soft and ultra blendable metallic shades that melt luxuriously on eyes, face, or body. Oh, okay, so you can use it for the face, body, like a body glitter, or like for the eyes, so that's why it's called face powder, I think. Yeah. So this one is a flat brush from Alamar Cosmetics. I'm going to apply this one on my inner corners. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Alright guys, so for the face, I'm going to use this Bretman Rock Times Wet n Wild Facial Mist. At first I wasn't a really big fan because I think it was my fault, guys. I did not mix this one really good, so you have to mix with this one really good, guys. You have to shake it up really good because you see the glitters, or like the type of glitters, I don't know, but you have to make sure that you mix it up really good or shake it up. So I'm just gonna spray my face. Oh, I love the smell. This is the completed look, and my skin right now looks extra dewy and I love it so much, especially the highlighter. Alright, so now I'm going to tell you my thoughts about Zoeva Cosmetics. My battery is running. I mean, my battery, or my camera, not my battery, but my camera is dying right now. Zoeva Cosmetics Authentic Concealer. This one was light to medium coverage. I love to use medium to full or medium to buildable coverage because I love dark circles and veins under my eyes. So I personally don't know how I feel about this one. It was really creamy. It was so easy to apply. I used a brush after I used the blender or the sponge because it soaked up most of the product. But I mean, still guys, I'm not really loving my under eyes. I'm not loving the coverage right now. As you can see, my dark circles and my veins. I still like the e.l.f. Cosmetics one. e.l.f. one has a little bit more coverage than this. So, but I like how it looks on my under eyes. Not too dry, not cakey at all. So I have to use this one a little bit more. And then next one is the Cocoa Blend eyeshadow palette. I love the formulation, love the colors. I know they are really like boring colors, but I really love this type of eyeshadow palette for every day, and I love the formulation. I love the mattes. They were very easy to blend and they were not patchy at all. I am wearing 1 2 3 4 5 shadows, and this one as my liner. I have been doing that lately, and I am really impressed with the quality of the palette. So next one is the highlighter. So this, when I touch it, it felt a little bit dry, but once I rub it, it felt really creamy, and I think this one would work best if you don't want the like super glittery like gold color, because this color is not for every skin tone. It's just way too yellow gold. Use your fingers, guys. This one works better with your fingers. That's what I did. I used my finger to apply, and as you can see, guys, it melted into my skin. Doesn't look too yellow like hepatitis yellow thing. Yeah, that is so pretty and looks really pretty in person. It just looks so beautiful. So I added on my inner corners, on the side, on both sides. So I am really happy with this one. So I did not expect to like this one. I really love the powder to creamy formulation, and I think this one would also work with like light to medium or like even like pale complexion, as long as you like use a little bit or use your fingers to apply this one, because this is really pretty. I just do not like the packaging. See, it looks so dirty already. So this one is amazing, guys. I can see myself using this one over and over again. So those are all the products that I purchased from Zoeva Cosmetics, and let me know, guys, if you have tried anything from Zoeva and what you think about the products. So this would be the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.